In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to color code on Google Calendar. Color coding is a simple way to make your schedule clearer at a glance. So let's walk through the exact steps to set it up for your daily events. Start by opening Google Calendar in your web browser and make sure you're signed in. Once your calendar loads, find the daily event you want to update. This might be a recurring task like a workout or a team check-in that appears every day on your calendar. Click the event to open its preview. In the small pop-up that appears, choose the option to edit the event. This is usually represented by a pencil icon, and it opens the full event details page where you can make changes. On this page, look for the color control. It typically appears as a colored circle or palette near the event title or alongside other options. This is the control that lets you assign a new color to the event. Click the color selector to open the event color menu. You'll see a grid of colors you can choose from. Pick the color that best matches how you want to categorize this event. For example, you might use green for health, blue for meetings, or yellow for personal tasks. If you see an option for more colors, you can open it to fine-tune a shade for better contrast or consistency with your system. Keep in mind that strong contrast helps your calendar stay readable, especially if you view it on different screens. After selecting your color, click Save to apply the change. If the event is part of a recurring series, Google Calendar will ask whether you want to update only this event or all events in the series. To keep your daily events consistent, choose the option that applies to all events. This ensures every instance in the series uses the same color. Confirm your choice by clicking OK when prompted. You should now see that the daily event has updated to your chosen color across your calendar. Repeat the same process for any other event you want to color code. Open the event, edit it, select the color, save, and apply the change to all events if it's a series. A quick tip: as you build your system, use a small, consistent palette and stick to clear categories. That way, when you glance at your calendar, you'll immediately understand what's coming up without reading every title. And that's all it takes to color code your Google Calendar like a pro.